welcome. My name is Ana Maria and I'm here with my friend Rami in his man cave of drones. It's actually Rami's hobby to build drones, and he's going to share some tips with us today on how to build your own drone. What type of special skills does someone need to have in order to build a drone?
This is a very good question. Actually, you will need to have basic electronics knowledge and soldering skills.
How long roughly does it take you to build a drone from start to finish?
It can take you as little as 2 hours. It can also take you 10 days. So depends on how complicated is your drone and what exactly you're going to use it for.
How many drones are there actually out in production at the moment?
There are a variety of drones. Each one has a different purpose. However, three consumer types of drones are toy drones, the ones that you can fly inside your house. Then you have the aerial and photo-capable drones, as well as the race drones, which are used in competitions, for personal amusement, or for FPV, first-person view.
How much roughly would it cost someone to build their own drone?
You can build a decent drone for a minimum of $500, assuming that this is your first drone, and the maximum, there's no maximum. You can spend thousands of dollars on building a drone.
The first step for building your drone is to attach your motors to your base until your base looks something like this. The second step will be to solder the speed controller onto the power distribution board and place it in the center of your base. Step number 3 is to connect the motors to the speed controllers and test that the motors are rotating in the proper direction. For the fourth step, you have to bind the receiver to the transmitter and secure it into place. The fifth step is about finalizing the build by covering the flight controller and attaching a battery plate. Step number 6 is to program and calibrate the speed controllers of the drone. We've now reached the 7th step in building your drone, which is to attach the propellers. But remember to be safe and take caution while completing this step. Step number 8 is to test fly the drone. Do you have any final tips for someone who might want to go out and build their own drone?
My advice is for people to be extra careful while building or flying a drone, and to respect rules and regulations and to fly safe.
Okay, so there you go, how to build a drone. Thank you, Rami.
Thank you, Anna.